kept like implying. He just kept like implying. He was making fun noise here, man.
And they're off. That looks like lane 7. That's Sierra. Oh, in the middle of the track. 7-8. Jody of Mount Sac, 7.89. And Galais Warrior, 7.97.
But you feel me? Sooner or later, man, he don't put out the time.
Heat 3. Here we go.
Riverside!
Looks like RCC. Riverside. Stephanie Britton, 7.9. Here we go. Rolling. Watarski.
That's damn near nigga perfect, like man. Like Lipicon.
Kai Berry, 797 for the win. Parker, Aaron, Prue.
Let's do it, Cam.
Let's go. We out here.
Dawn Parrish the third.
First time back in years.
In lane 8.
I know. Let's do it, Cam.
And they're off. Middle of the track. San Diego Mesa. Matthew Robertson. 695 for the first.
Was a fiasco, so they're trying to catch up. They just shoot out.
Yeah, dude. Hold on.
Lane 2. Derek from San Diego Mesa. 7.08. Here we go. Middle of the track. Oh yeah. That's Richard. Here we